2.
How dakuha, uy. Mag-thank you ka kay Todd.
Hi, Todd. It's already arrived, Todd.
Okay, I received an
I received
email.
it. Thank you so much, Todd.
Thank you so much, Karen. Well,
I thought it's a joke.
no, this is not a joke. Todd is very generous.
Is it really true?
Oh my God.
Thank you very much, Todd.
Hatag mo na siya, good.
Ano yatag?
2,000.
USA? From USA?
Pasalamat ka sa kanya ng bonggang-bongga para
Thank you
tagaan
very
pa
much,
kasunod.
Todd. Okay, I received an email that says the money has been delivered to the GCash account. Will you please check your balance? Yes, it's already arrived. Thank you so much.
Yes, it's really true. Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Yeah.
much, Todd. Thank you so much for
Yeah, it
the
is
bottom of
very
my
true.
heart, of the heart of Karen pala.
Sana
Sana all rich.